Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be talking about the current oil that I'm using and why I currently use this oil, and this is the only oil that I can use on my skin religiously. So let's just get right to it. So the oil that I'm currently using is black seed oil. I spoke about this oil in my previous video, and I found this oil through, I don't know, there was a lot of conversation about this oil. A lot of people take it internally, health wise, and it's said to cure a lot of illnesses or prevent a lot of illnesses and diseases and stuff like that. Like, it's amazing. And I was taking it internally, but you know, I kind of stopped because you have to kind of keep up with the routine of it, and there's a few other stuff that I take as well, so I kind of stopped. And then I actually tried it on my skin, and surprisingly I just really loved it, and it didn't clog my pores, it didn't break me out. So I really love this oil. So the oil that I'm going to be talking about is black seed oil. So this is the one that I use, and the brand is called Himani. You probably can find this online, and what it says is 100% natural, prepared from the finest quality, black seed oil, Himani, and that's all that it says. But on the box that comes with it, it says you can take it internally or you can use it externally. So people take it internally for like flus, colds, just to prevent stuff like that and to boost your immunity. It said that you take 1 teaspoon 2 times a day, but I use it on my skin. So I'm currently using it on my skin. I use it on my face at night time. Sometimes I use it twice a day, in the night time and in the morning time, but most of the time I just use it in the night time. I also use it on the whole of my body, and I found that it's really helped with my strawberry legs, believe it or not, and it really helps kind of shrink the pores. And it's a dry oil, so it will absorb into your skin so quickly. It won't sit on your skin won't feel greasy. Literally, I've never used an oil like this before. Most oils sort of just sit on the surface of your skin, and I know sea buckthorn oil was said to be good for acne, but when I used that oil it was just quite thick and it just sat on my skin, and it can also stain your pillow. Whereas if you use black seed oil, after about 5 or 10 minutes it's absorbed into your pores, you can lay on your pillow and your skin just looks so radiant. So after my nighttime routine, I'll use my retinoid 5%, which I spoke about in my last video, and I also use my black seed oil. This oil to me is a game changer. It's a dry oil. I don't know why the world or the beauty industry promotes so much oils that apparently dry oils that aren't. I've tried so much oils and I've never come across an oil like this. I've tried neem oil, which is okay but still not as good. I've tried sea buckthorn oil. I've tried coconut oil, which is a complete no-no. I don't know if it was because I was using the wrong coconut oil, because I remember when I first started ever using coconut oil, this was a very long time ago. It was about 5-6 years ago, and I would purchase mine from a normal beauty supply store and it would say 100% natural coconut oil, but sorry, I wasn't looking for 100% organic, cold pressed, raw, and that's what you're supposed to be looking for. And eventually I did purchase an organic raw coconut oil and I had better effects. I know with coconut oil it can give a lot of people rashes and stuff, so some people stay away from that. And there's a whole load of different oils, and there's a few that I am interested in and I'm looking to purchase and I do want to review. There's one called Immune oil, I think, and there's another one, Tamuni oil. I think that's what they're called, I'm not sure, but when I get them I'm going to try them and hopefully all is good. This oil, this black seed oil, is also said to be good for psoriasis and eczema and stuff like that. But honey, I just use it on my skin to help minimize the pores, to help prevent acne, And from you guys can see, from you can tell, yesterday I wasn't wearing any makeup. I haven't had acne for a very, 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 very long time. And I can, you know, say the very, very a lot because I was suffering from acne for a long time and it wasn't a nice experience. And I think it was bacterial acne. My skin is just very, very sensitive depending on my environment and stuff like that. You know, my pores can become clogged and my skin wasn't shedding as rapidly as it was supposed to. And another thing, you know, if you're suffering from acne and you have spots, just see it as a way as your body telling you that it wants to change something. Just see it as a good thing and see it as a way your body is just saying, you know, something needs to be changed. I'm alerting you that something could be going on in your body, or you could be in an environment that's toxic and you could be near pollution. So see it as a good thing. You know, some people look at people that have spots and acne and stuff and think, oh, you know, their skin's dirty or they don't look very nice, but that's not a nice thing to do, and it's not a nice way to see people. And you know, I've been in experience with someone that's been very, very rude to me about my skin, in regards to my skin, which wasn't very nice, but people will do those things and say what they say and do what they do, unfortunately. But this was a long time ago, but you know, thank God, my skin is clear now. I don't suffer from acne, but I'm definitely here to help the people that do suffer from it and do, oops, oh yeah, I'm here to help the people that do suffer from it and do have arising problems. So I think this will conclude my video. I did just want to speak about the black seed oil, and I just can't think of anything else that I need to say about it. Just Google black seed oil. Everything about black seed oil will come up. It comes from a plant called Nigella sativa. I think I'm saying it right. It's from an Asian, it's from somewhere in Asia. You know, don't, you know, come for me, because I know how you guys are when I say certain things in certain countries or whatever. But yeah, and it's also known as onion seed. Some people say it's onion seed, some people don't. And yeah, I'm not gonna go on about onion seeds, but yes, this is the oil that I'm currently using, and my skin is radiant with this oil, and I use it in conjunction with my retinoid, and it's really, really worked for me. So I definitely would recommend anyone that's suffering from acne or skin problems to just try this oil. If you want to use an oil and you want your skin to feel moisturized and nourished and you don't want to use a moisturizer, definitely try this oil. So thanks again for watching my video, guys. I hope you guys got some informal information, and if you have any questions, remember to comment below. Also add my Raise Beauty Health page and share, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.